Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can enable developer options on your Android. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under this video. Also write comments, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. So friends, I will show you the whole process from the beginning. For this, you will need to swipe from the right side from top to bottom. Next, click on the gear to go to your settings. Now friends, you will need to go to the phone section on your device, or my phone, as I have it, can be either at the bottom or at the top of the settings list. Just look for it in the settings. Once you open your phone, then look for software, then look for an option called build number. If you can't find it, then I suggest you use a simpler option. For this, you will have this search bar at the top of the settings. Just type the words build number right here. Click on it, so you'll find the information you're looking for right away. Then you will need to click on the build number. You may need to click a few times, because on some Android phones, like mine for example, before you can open any of the basic options that were originally there, if it's a special piece of software, you have to tap a few times. And then you have to enter your password. And once you've entered it correctly, go back to the settings. Here also I recommend that you don't search, but just enter the words developer settings into the search box. Click on them. This will take you to the developer options. Here you will be able to enable absolutely any option. As you can see, there are a lot of them. Here you can customize everything for yourself. It is very long to look at all this information. And there are actually a lot of useful options here that you could customize for yourself. This is the way you can enable developer options on your device. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and also write your comments. See you soon.